Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my May BOXYCHARM unboxing. The box this month is like really differently shaped than normal. It's like long. I'm really excited for this month's box for one product in particular that I saw on like their little previews and stuff. So let's just read this. So the theme this month is Make Waves. So kind of giving me like pre-summer vibes. So the first thing that's in here that I'm going to use is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is really pretty. This retails for $28, which did Glam Glow get cheaper? Like, I feel like Glam Glow's always been really expensive, so 28 bucks for a cleanser from them, that's full size. Seems really cheap. Gentle but make it bubbly, this daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses the skin and dissolves makeup. I don't have makeup on right now, so I can't tell how well it takes off makeup, but I'm gonna go try this really quick because I haven't washed my face today yet. Since it's all skin types approved, soap, fragrance, and SLS/SLES free, whatever that means. So I'm gonna go try this really quick and I'll be back and I'll let you know how it works. Alright, I'm back. I definitely feel like it did a really good job of cleansing my skin. My skin feels really clean and fresh. It didn't feel like it stripped my skin or anything at all. I really like the packaging. I feel like it worked really well on my skin. It feels really nice and cleansed, so that's good. The next product that we have in the box is from Ciate, and this is one of their Eye Luster Cream eyeshadows. I have never tried this before, so I'm assuming that this is more like a new product because I've tried a lot from Ciate and I haven't tried this. So this retails for $22. Let's open this up. Ooh, definitely up my alley. It's like a lavender with some gold in it. Little swatch. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. I'm gonna do a really quick eyeshadow look and then I'll come back to use this. I just did something really simple. I just used the Time Pink Infatuation palette. I just used like literally these two shadows. I don't know if I'm gonna put it like all across the lid, so I might take some on the back of my hand and just apply it with my finger. Ooh. Just gives you like a hint of gold glitter when you blend it out like this. Like just put it on with your finger. It's kind of what I just wanted. Like just a little bit of shimmer. I really like that. I feel like when you blend it out, it just looks really gold though. Like you don't really see the purple. So I'm sure if you would like swipe it on, it would go on a little bit more purple. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup because we just have a couple more products, so I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, bronzer, contour, all that good stuff. So the next product is what I'm most excited for. So this is the Automatic Cosmetics Blush Trio. This is in the medium tan one and this retails for $22. I have been wanting to try this since I saw that she was coming out with blushes. What it looks like, super pretty. All my favorite tones of blush. Also, a blush brush, I think. What is this? The Aesthetica P12 base brush. You guys watched my Instagram story yesterday. You saw that I got rid of a bunch of brushes. So I'm sure you guys can tell that I'm stoked to get another brush in the box this month. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually not going to use it because, like I said, I got rid of like 70% of my makeup brushes yesterday and I feel very organized and clean, and this doesn't look like a brush that I would typically use anyway, so I put this aside for a giveaway because I know someone else can use it more than me. So it retails for $27, so she's a pricey brush. Use this middle shade right here called Isla or Isla, I'm pretty sure it's Isla. And then we have Seclusion, which is a more peachy blush, and then Toasted, which is a more mauve blush. These are like the three tones that I reach for every single day, so super excited that I got this one because I love these shades. By the way, let me read a little information about this. Buttery smooth, highly pigmented, completely vegan to give you a sun-kissed flush without the damage of rays. So I'm gonna go in with the middle shade. Just apply this. Ooh. They look like they are matte blush, which aren't my favorite kind of blushes, but it doesn't look like a dry, like flat matte. Okay, these are pigmented. Please be careful. I was just like la la la, not paying attention. This is a Makeup Shack brush, by the way. It doesn't have a number on it, but it's from the Makeup Shack. Yeah, she's definitely pigmented. I'm also going to take Seclusion and use that one too because I just like mixing blushes. It is super, super pretty. I love blush. Very happy with that. Definitely love that this was in the box this month. I love her brushes and her palette, so I would love this as well. So I think this is really pretty. By the way, I know that there was 3 different variations of this. I got the medium tan one. I think there was also a light one and then maybe a deep one. I don't know the exact names of them, but there are some for all skin tones. One product left. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, like, highlight my lashes and everything. I went ahead and just applied lashes and finished up the rest of my face. So we have one product left, and this is from the brand Oriza. I don't know. It is a lip gloss or a top gloss. Retails for $14.99. It says layer over your favorite lip color for an impactful lip look or wear alone as a subtle gloss. So I'm just gonna put this on. So that's what it looks like. It has this really pretty pink and like gold reflect in it. It's such a pretty gloss on its own, but I feel like on top of another lip color it'll be really pretty too, but I don't mind it on its own. I think it looks really pretty. Definitely feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. It actually feels like, oh wait, hold on. I feel like this dries down. It doesn't feel glossy anymore. Like, it kind of felt like a lip oil almost at first, and then now it's like dried down. Okay, never mind. I don't like that. And now it's really sticky. It says it's a gloss, and this is definitely not a gloss anymore. It looks like I ate a powdered donut with some glitter in it. It doesn't look good, like, at all. It feels really gross. So I'm gonna take this off and put another lip color on because this is not it. I went ahead and just changed my lip color. This is Fenty Uncuffed. Yeah, that gloss was a flop. But let me go ahead and add everything up in this month's box to see how much the box was worth. The box this month was worth $113.99, which, as always, it's always a really good deal for the box because you always do get $100 or more worth of stuff in it for 21 bucks. So, like the Glam Glow cleanser as well. I think that was a really exciting thing to see in the box this month because Glam Glow is pretty pricey. It is high-end. Even though this one is a little bit cheaper, it's still nice to get it in the box, and these two together end up costing more than the entire box anyway. I did like that liquid eyeshadow. It was really pretty. Not anything too crazy, but it was nice. I liked there was a brush in here, and then yeah, the only bad thing was really the gloss, or whatever that was. That was not a gloss. That was like a metallic glittery liquid lipstick or something that was sticky. It was not good. I think that the box was worth this month because of this little baby right here. I just think that this was super, super pretty. I love that they always put some of her stuff in the boxes as well. So I will leave a link down below to sign up for BOXYCHARM if you guys want. It's an affiliate link, so if you guys don't feel comfortable using it, you don't have to. But if you do use it, then thank you. I really appreciate it. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, by the way, I feel like I always forget to say it because I make these every month, but it is a monthly subscription box that is $21 a month, and you always get 4 to 5 full-size products in it. It's always usually over $100 too. I've been getting it for years. I love it. Anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.